Last time I showed you how I make a hard shell for my paper mask. To see the first part of my mask making, check out the end of this video. Right now, I'm going to make a cut with the help of a utility knife and some scissors. My mask will get a personality, and she will turn into the Queen of the Night from Mozart's opera, The Magic Flute. In the next step, I build up the face with paper maché clay, and I use Michael's cello clay for my paper maché sculptures. I start usually with the nose, and she will get a hooked nose because to me the Queen of the Night, it's a little bit like a bird, very bird-like. And you can see on the top there that I actually added some feathers. And unfortunately, I kind of lost that part of the video, unfortunately. But you can see here, I'm starting to build up the hooked nose. And I should mention it here that it's a good idea to check that nose as I'm building it from different angles, not just the front, but as many angles as possible so that I can keep that shape. The next interesting feature is the mouth. And with the mouth, I let my instincts and my imagination just go wild. Whatever I see developing, I just run with it. The chin is a bit short and a bit flat, so I will start adding more paper maché clay to it and just work on the form until I get the desired shape. And again, I will be looking at it from different angles, as many as possible, to get that perfect shape. Once I'm happy with the face, I will let it dry for a while. I use a rasp to clean it up a bit and then add some beads. And that's it for today. Next time I'll paint it, so hope to see you then.